Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your country in Amazon Prime Video. Sometimes the shows or movies you want aren't available in your current region, and switching your country can help unlock new content. To start, open Amazon on your browser and log into your account. Go to Accounts and Lists and select Your Content and Devices. From there, choose the Preferences tab. You'll see an option called Country Region Settings. Click on it and then select Change. Now enter the address for the country you want to switch to. It can be any valid address within that region, like a hotel or business address. After saving, your Prime Video library will update to reflect that country's catalog. Keep in mind, you may need to update your payment method to one that works in that region as well. And just like that, you can enjoy Prime Video as if you were in another country. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.